Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Instagram Collaborate feature. If you're using Instagram and you want to use Instagram Collabs features, let's see how can you do that. Very first, I recommend you have to make an update into your Instagram app. So open your App Store or Play Store and you have to simply search for Instagram. And you have to make sure that you haven't any updates for your Instagram app. If you find, try to update your app. So after updating, you have to simply go back and wait for your Instagram app until it updates. So once your app has been updated, you have to simply open your Instagram app. So now you can use collaborate feature with your Instagram posts or reels. So for example, I'm going to add a post, tap on the plus option, select post, select any video or the photo which you want to send. For example, I'm going to select this photo here, tap on next option, then select next again. Now on this page, before posting your post, you just have to tap on tag people option. Now it's not only tagging anyone, you just have to tap on invite collaborators, then tap on continue. Here you can see this invite collaborator reach more viewers by inviting collaborators to add their names to your post. When they accept, your post will be shared with their followers. If they have a public account, it will also be shared publicly. So it means if you want to use this feature after the person has been accepted your collaborate request, this post will be also shared to their followers. So I'm going to share this with anyone. Download the invite collaborators option. Tap on continue here, and you just have to invite or search for a person. So once you have searched, you just have to tap on the profile with which you want to collaborate. And I have selected this one. Just tap on the done option in the top right corner, and it will send a collaboration request to that person which you have just selected. Now tap on the share option. It will be also shared as your own profile. So once the post has been shared, it will send a request, or you can see that was invited to be a collaborator but hasn't accepted yet. So when your request will be accepted, you will get a notification also, and your post will be shared with that person's followers. So in this way, you can easily use Instagram collabs feature. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.